Just a little addition to the Royal Palaces, just going down the street. It would help if I could read Swedish. If I could read the Swedish language. Please comment, subscribe to the channel, and definitely like the video. That's the prices if you want to see the royal apartments. Across the street from where the palaces are, you can see the waterfront. You can get a boat from the waterfront here and get a nice tour of the city. One of these boats, they'll just take you around the city. Hello. Not today, thank you. About how much does it cost?
For us,
Yeah.
$2.95, but we can also match the prices of the other places. We have the
Okay.
best tour.
Okay, good. 295 krona. It's like 10 to $1, so that's not too bad. But that's almost like $30. And you can ride around the city. That's the National Museum on the other side. But you have to cross the bridge here to be able to get there. And that's the Grand Hotel, said to be about the most expensive hotel here in Sweden. Says it's housed a lot of famous actors and presidents and and other dignitaries. As they stand, that's the Grand Hotel rather. It's a beautiful area. And across the street you can see the palace again. In another video I showed the other side of the palace and the changing of the guards. The Grand Hotel does look grand. The hotel I'm staying is the Bagger, which again is called like a designer hotel, one of the first designer hotels in Sweden, because the rooms, each room is designed differently. And Bagger is supposed to be the founder of Stockholm. You'll see that name all around town. It's a beautiful area. The day is not so beautiful. It seems like you can hear echoes or see echoes of winter time. It's fall. I'll try to get as close to the Grand Hotel as possible and the National Museum. Seems like everybody has a dog here. There's so many of these boats here. Lady said for about $29 you can get a boat ride. There's so much to see in Stockholm. Kak, that must be another nice hotel. It is said that Stockholm is not a cheap city to live in, but they have free education from cradle to university level, and socialized medicine, but rent is not cheap. But their unemployment is very low, and it is a comparatively very safe city to live in. Now we can see the Grand Hotel. Get a closer look on it. You can get the hop on off or bus, take you all around Stockholm, show you the sights. That's interesting, a nice crib stand. I don't see anybody minding it. Oh, there you go. That is the most expensive hotel, I'm told, the Grand Hotel. Probably won't be staying there anytime soon. I wonder if they'll let me in the hotel. Oh yeah. Sweden is the owner of the Nobel Prize, Peace Prize, and all of the other categories of Nobel Prizes. I'm going to end this part of the video here, incorporating the Grand Hotel, the most expensive hotel, and see what other sites I can recommend to you. Over and out. Again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment.